Guys, all you retro appliance fans out there, check out what I got off eBay. This is a Lady Sunbeam hairdryer. The reason I got this is because my grandma had one a long time ago, and I used to like to listen to the sound of it. It just sounds so cool when it starts up. So let's do a quick demonstration. It's gonna be a quick video because the cat is driving me nuts. Get down, will ya? Fucking cat! Ah. Here we go. Here's the startup noise. Listen to this. See if it blows any heat. Oh yeah, it's getting warm. I just thought it was kind of cool. I'm going to take it apart and clean it up. Maybe show you the inside later. So, later. Okay, we got this open now. I love how they put dates in here. September 1966. That's how old this is. That's what the front top cover looks like. Just for shits and giggles, let's plug it in. See how it runs like this. Watch the fan blade just like take off in the air. That's a tiny little heater. That's a little tiny little heater right there. Wow. Motor doesn't even need lubrication. Just gotta clean it up a little bit. And this hose is really nasty. It's like slimy stuff all over it. So I'm gonna clean that. Anyway, that's that. And there's the top of the motor. Yep, all I gotta do is clean that up, put it back together. Quick, simple operation. Okay, got it all put back together, all cleaned up. Found out this is actually pink, not brown. That's how dirty it was. Let's turn it on. Uh-oh, here goes my battery. It's a-working. That is all. See you guys later.